I'm gonna go on living like I never met you, and it'll feel wrong at first, but I think I can forget you. Ignore the fact that we sleep no more than 3 feet apart. I feel you now, you're all around me, underneath me. You're all around me, underneath me. Well, how is that to know that what we carved in stone would be so temporary? Well, how is that to know that my first crack in love would not be the last? It won't be the last. It's in the air now, bitter tears and broken hearts. We're teenagers. We count the years, we think we're smart, but we're not. We don't know